What's going on, y'all? Nick here, coming to you with another video. So, you guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play all your 12 keys, all right, with both your right and your left hand, all right. I'm going to teach you the fingering, all right, and also make sure that when you look at this video and you study it, make sure you go back and you do everything that I'm telling you with a metronome. I'm going to teach you how to properly do that, all right. I'm probably going to break this series into 12 different videos so that none of the videos are too long. Now the next scale in the circle of fifths will be the B scale. So I'm going to do it with my left hand first. Now this one is actually different because rather than all the other scales where I started with the pinky or finger number 5, this one you're going to actually start with your ring finger or finger number 4, alright? So again, if you need to, slow down the video or replay it, do so, but make sure you get the fingering right. Now I'm going to play it with my right hand. Now I'm going to play the scale with both hands together. Alright, here's something that you need to take in consideration, alright? When you start from the B scale and moving forward with all the flat scales, usually the general rule of thumb is that you would want your ring finger on F sharp, your middle finger on G sharp, and you want your index finger on A sharp. That's usually the general rule of thumb. Again, every scale there is a particular fingering for it, which I'm going to go over, but that's just a rule of thumb that can help you out moving forward. So anyway, let's play this scale with the metronome.